so my name is Anna, and my question to you today is, have you once ever sympathized with a shark? And the odds are your answer is no. And my answer would have been the same too, until someone showed me a picture of this. And to me, this is really powerful. It's a picture of a shark with no fins. So many people fear sharks, they're always afraid of them, but what most people don't realize is that in the next couple decades, scientists predict all these sharks to be dead. And the reason is what is known as shark finning. You see, this shark has no fins. And what shark finning is fishermen out in the ocean will go and catch some sharks, cut off their fins, and throw their completely alive bodies back in the water. They then use those fins and sell them in black markets because it's an Asian delicacy to have shark fin soup, and shark fins are the main ingredients. I don't really know why, because apparently it's tasteless. It doesn't have any flavor to it, but it's a delicacy. So, to me, sharks are important because I think they're amazing animals. I've been hooked ever since Shark Week. But to you, it should be important because when we lose the sharks, we lose everything else in the ocean. That means no more swimming with dolphins, no more seafood, no more snorkeling coral reefs, and worst of all, no more Shark Week. So there's three main reasons that I think we should protect sharks from shark finning. And the first is it's inhumane, because I already told you, when you cut off the fins, they just throw the sharks back in the water, but you don't think about what happens to them after that. So many sharks await the same fate. They just sink to the bottom of the ocean. They can't swim. If they can't swim, then oxygen can't go through their gills, and they either drown, or they die of hunger, or they're eaten alive by other fish or sharks, which is pretty traumatic. So, first off, it's inhumane. And second, I think that they're just incredible animals. I think that we should really have a healthy respect for them. They're strong and powerful, yet they're cunning and really patient, and they're just really interesting animals. They've been around since prehistoric times. They'd be ashamed to lose them now. But third and most important, if we lose sharks, we lose an extreme amount of biodiversity. I told you, if we lose sharks, then we lose the ocean, because sharks keep what are known as a keystone species, and that means it's the same as a keystone in a bridge. If you don't have the top keystone, the bridge will collapse. Well, they act as the same thing. They keep every other population in check, so they keep the weak fish or the diseased fish, they eat them so disease doesn't spread. If they don't have them, populations will go out of control and there will be no food source. And they eat things such as sea turtles that lie in the grass bed. So if we don't have the sharks, the sea turtles will kill all the grass and there will be no food source at all for fish. So literally, the ocean will become a lifeless abyss. So, in conclusion, I think that it's really important that we should protect these species. We shouldn't just wait for the next generation to do something before it's too late. We should act now. Thank you.